Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, we're going to look at a really simple strategy you can use in the boom and crash markets. The strategy is easy to follow. Not every day there's going to be a trade. And yes, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so before we begin the video, sorry for posting, haven't been posting in a while now, was just relocating and there was a lot of things we needed to sort out, didn't have time to go onto the charts and so forth. So please bear with me, in the near future I will start posting a lot more videos, things are just getting settling in and everything like that, so yeah. Alright, so in this video you will see I'm on the 15 minute, it works on most time frames, but I'm going to look for short trades that you can scalp and so on, because I know a lot of traders don't want to keep their trades too long. So the minimum time frame you can use is like the 15 minute, and then you can go to the 5 minute and the 1 minute as well. So in this video we look for the previous day's high. So you'll see what I marked out here is a one trading day. So this is a day, this is a day. Because we are trading in this example on the crash 500, we're only looking for sales. Now, where was the previous day's high? As you can see, this was the highest point. Price took out this highest point, so liquidity was taken there. Market structure shift happened here. And then from this moment on, you can start looking at sales. Again, structure was broken here. So we are just waiting for retracements to come into our level, like in the previous videos, to the fair value gaps or order blocks. For example, price left a nice fair value gap here. As you can see, we had a small reaction from the fair value gap. Could have taken a nice scalp trade in and out of the trades. A lot of the times price would just move in a downwards direction like this, and there won't be any opportunities to take a sell trade. All right, let's just delete this. Let's look at this high of the day. Let's draw it out. As you can see, price took out the previous day's high. Now we are waiting for a market structure shift. This was the last low that was created that pushed the price up. You can go for this low or this low. I will do this one because that's a fractal low. There's a candle on the left is higher, candle on the right is higher. It took out this high. So you can use this one as the market structure shift. Now we wait for price to enter our order block, or price to enter a nice fair value gap that was left right here. What you can do as well, you can mark out that whole area on the higher time frame. This will be one push, this will be one order block as well. Price came in, went down, broke market structure, came retraced. You can enter your trade and you can literally target a nice scalp to where you are comfortable at. Either this order block or this low. As you can see, price came. All right. So where's the high for this day? This was the high for this day. Did price take out the previous day high? Yes. Here we go. The price took out the high. So this day was a no trading day. On the next day, as you can see, price took out this high. The previous day's high. Now this high was also taken out right here. But now we are waiting for that market structure shift. So a low was created. Low was created, never got taken out. Low, lows was created. This was the last low that was created. We had a big push to the downside. The last liquidity was taken as well. Market structure shift. Broke this low as well. Let's quickly have a look. There's the last order block, those 3 uppish candles. Price came in, tagged us in, and you got a nice scalp on the crash trade. Let's look at this day's high now. So as you can see, this previous day's high was right over here. So here you got in your first scalp. We're still waiting for this high to be taken out to start looking at more trades. Here the high got taken out, low was created, low was created. This was the last low that made the new high. So we're waiting for this low to be taken out before we start looking at sells. Got taken out there. There's a nice order block, big order block, smaller order block. And as you can see, 2 confirmations with a fair value gap. Price tagged us in and it went down. If you go to the lower time frame, let's see if we can go there. And to the 5 minutes. Here we go. Now you can see on the lower time frame, low was broken, big impulse move. Liquidity was taken, left the order block, entered your trade. If you want to refine your order block, there we go on the 5 minutes. Price took out the low, market structure shift, got tagged in, and you went down. Let's go back to the 15 minute. All right. Let's see if this high was taken out. Didn't take out the high, so I wouldn't take any trade on this day. This is equal highs. We can just extend it as well. Here we got, here the high of this day got taken out. This was the last low. Low created a new high. Low created a new high. Low created a new high. So what are we looking for? This was the last fractal low. Got taken out with an impulse move. What did price leave? A nice order block. There we go. If you go onto the lower time frames, you can find a better entry. Here we go. So now if you want to refine it, this was the 15-minute low, so I will leave that low to be taken out. And we had a nice order block there. Those few up push candles there, plus a nice small little fair value gap between that candle and that candle, plus an order block inside a 15-minute order block. Got in your trade and you could have taken this whole trade down, or where you are comfortable taking your profits. All right, let's have a look. Now let's look at this day's high. Did it got taken out? Never got taken out, but it's equal highs, as you can see, to the pip. This was this day's high. Did it get taken out? Yes, there we grabbed the liquidity. We're waiting for this low to be broken. Push down. There was a nice order block. There was a nice order block. Got into your trade and you hit stop loss. Straight to stop loss. All right. Now this high, remember this is this day's highs as well because it's equal highs. First trade was losing. Now where's the next high? All right. This high was taken out. Never broke market structure. Created a new high right here. This high was taken out. Where's the last low that took out this high? It was this one here. Huge impulse move down. What do we have? We have a big order block on the higher time frames right here. There we go. Inside of this order block, we have a nice fair value gap as well. So this day we had a losing trade, but the setup is formed for the next day. Well, we didn't know it will be the next day. So price consolidated. on the new day, remember this is the high of this current day. The setup is starting. Price never came to the high. But remember, when we took out these highs, we created a setup. So that's a valid trade. You wait for price to come to your entry point, you enter and you go down. And this is where the current price is. So please go check it on all the boom and crash pairs. Not every day is going to be a trading day. You will see some of the days there won't be anything. Sometime 2, 3, 4 days you won't have a trade. But this is a nice, easy strategy you can use to find a one trade a day that you can feel confident in. Yes, not all of them is going to be winning trades. But yes, you can use the strategy to go back test yourself on a demo account, of course, just to go back test it before you trade any live funds. All right. Hope this video was informative and that you learned something new. I will start posting again a lot more. Yes. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and then I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.